Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll share with you guys my first impressions of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, so keep watching. Now, starting from the design and build, the phone felt pretty slim. Now, besides the color of the phone, just holding the phone kinda reminded me of the Xiaomi Mi 8 III, where the design was thin and light, and it has a back and front Corning Gorilla Glass 5, where it did look and feel pretty solid. And then the 4 cameras are placed right in the middle with a small camera bump together with a physical fingerprint sensor, which I find it quite surprising that Xiaomi went with that instead of an in-display fingerprint sensor. Now, going into the color finishes, it comes with 3 colors for you guys to choose from, where the one which I have is called Pearl White, which looks amazing as you guys can see. Then there's Mineral Grey and Forest Green. Now, as for the phone screen, it has a 6.53-inch IPS LCD display instead of Super AMOLED, which is another surprise, but nevertheless, the screen looked great even with a dewdrop notch, and it comes with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. Now, as for the ports, looking down below, there's the USB-C port, a headphones jack with a mono firing speaker, and then looking on the left, there's a SIM and the micro SD card slot, which supports up to 256 gigs of storage. Then looking on the right, there's the power button and the volume rocker, and on top, there's the IR blaster. As for the phone's camera specs, it has a massive 64 megapixel f1.9 26mm wide lens, which is the first here in the Malaysian market, an 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture 13mm ultra wide angle lens, a 2 megapixel f2.4 dedicated macro lens, and a 2 megapixel f2.4 depth sensor. Then as for the front camera, it has a 20 megapixel f2.0, which of course we'll find out how the camera performs during my full video review of the phone, so stay tuned for that and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Now, as for video, the rear camera records up to UHD 2160 up to 30 frames per second. Then as for the front, it records up to 1080p up to 30 frames per second. Then as for the insides of the phone, it has the MediaTek Helio G90T chipset with the Mali G76MC4 GPU. It comes in 2 variants for you guys to choose from, which is 6 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of storage and 6 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs of storage. And in terms of software, it is shipped with Android 9 Pie with MIUI 10, and the phone also is powered with a huge 4500 mAh of battery with 18 watts fast charging. And once I get my hands on the device, I'll do a full battery test. Now, looking at the price here in Malaysia, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro is going for 1,099 ringgit for the 6 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of storage, and 1,199 ringgit for the 6 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs of storage. And the pre-order will be from the 8th till the 11th of October through Lazada, Shopee and authorized Mi stores, where there is a giveaway for a free Black Shark gaming controller worth 169 ringgit. So guys, with this, do let me know what you would like to know about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro at the comment section below, and as usual, as you guys know, I'll answer them in my full video review. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick first impressions video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.